Hi dear students, welcome to history class. Today we are going to discuss about new topic. Are you ready? Okay. From hunting gathering to growing food. Now we will discuss about finding out about fire. Please watch this video for our ancient periods.
Hello friends and welcome to a new happy learning video. Today we are going to learn about the first stage of our prehistory. Today let's look at Paleolithic. First of all, what we must understand is that prehistory is divided into three different periods: the Paleolithic, Neolithic, and the Bronze Age. The Paleolithics begin with the appearance of the first human beings and ends 8,000 years before Christ. During the Paleolithic period, people were nomads, meaning that they didn't live in one place. No, they were constantly on the move in search of animals to hunt. As they were hunters and gatherers, they needed to follow the animals in order to capture them, and at the same time, they needed to collect wild fruit found on the way. They lived in tribes, in small groups formed by families, and they found refuge in caves where they would paint on the walls. These paintings were done with a mixture of charcoal, earth, animal fat, and water. Look, here are a few examples. Truth is, it's absolutely fascinating to think that these first paintings, these first artistic representations, were drawn thousands of years ago, don't you think? Both Paleolithic men and women wore animal skins, which they had hunted previously. And they used tools such as an axe and spears made out of stones, wood, and bones, which they themselves carved. With the passing of time, or rather centuries, these first human beings became more and more intelligent, and they began to domesticate animals, such as dogs, goats, sheep, and pigs. They also began to cultivate plants, which were then eaten. It is in these times, with the arrival of agriculture and farming, when everything changed, when man stopped becoming a nomad and becomes sedentary, and the first villages are made. This is when the Paleolithic period ends and the Neolithic begins. But that is a different stage in prehistory, which we will learn in another video. Did you find all this very exciting? Well, I did. So goodbye, friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Happy Learning TV.
I think all have understood this video. Finding out about fire. Most important invention in our history, finding out about fire. In the Kurnool caves in Andhra Pradesh, traces of ash have been found. This is that in earliest people familiar with the use of fire. But why did they use fire? Fire have been used as a source of light. Fire used to roast meat and to scare away animals. Again, can you tell me? Why did they use fire? Yes, very good. Fire have been used as a source of light. Fire used to roast meat and to scare away animals. You can see the two pictures of this slide. Yes, very good. Kurnool caves in Andhra Pradesh. This picture is Kurnool caves in Andhra Pradesh. Then the important to know the names of periods which archaeologists have given to the people who lived in years and years ago. First one is Paleolithic period. It is earliest period. This word Paleolithic came from two Greek words. Paleo, it means old, and lithos means stone. Can you tell me? Paleo means? Yes, very good, old, and lithos means? Very good, stone. So this period is known as Stone Age. This name suggests the significance of finding of stone tools. Extends from 2 million years ago to 12,000 years ago. This time divided into the lower, middle and upper Paleolithic. And do you know this period, the Paleolithic period, cover 99% of human history. Amazing, isn't it? The main points. The earliest period, Paleo meaning old and lithos meaning stone. The importance of finds of stone tools extends from 2 million years ago to 12,000 years ago, divided into the lower, middle and upper Paleolithic, covers 99% of human history. Then, now coming to second period, Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age. It is the where period of environment changes. It extends from 12,000 years ago till about 10,000 years ago. They also used stone tools. They also used which tools? Is very good, stone tools. But the stone tools that were found during this period are tiny, called microliths. You can see the pictures of microliths. They are very tiny. They are very small. Microliths were stuck onto handles, saws and sickles. Again, the main points. Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age. Major environmental change. 12,000 years ago till about 10,000 years ago. Stone tools, tiny microliths. Microliths stuck onto handles, saws and sickles. Next, Neolithic. Next we have the Neolithic period. Which period? Tell me. Loudly tell me. Yes, very good. Neolithic period. It extends from about 10,000 years ago. So the word Neolithic come from the Greek word. Again, Neos which means new and Lithos which means stone, meaning new stone age. Okay, main points of Neolithic period from about 10,000 years ago. Neos means new and lithos means stone, meaning new stone age. Today's homework: why did earliest people use fire? Second question: write a few sentences about Paleolithic period. Third question: write a few sentences about Microlithic period. Fourth one: write a few sentences about Neolithic period. Again, first question: why did earliest people use fire? Second one: write a few sentences about Paleolithic period. Third question: write a few sentences about Microlithic period. Fourth one: write a few sentences about Neolithic period. Thank you. Have a nice day.